So, Nikon is all set to launch the new camera with a retro design, complementing the existing ZFC APS-C body. It will be a more advanced version of its ZFC camera, and for those who miss the practical design of the mighty old cameras but want a technological beast featured with solid specs, it is a treat. As the announcement date is approaching, let's recap all the available information about the Nikon ZF. Starting with design first, as we can see in the different leaked images, a stylish black camera body will enhance the retro aesthetics of the ZF. Images also reveal that Nikon has gone all out with the design, and even the button placements are visually appealing. In the ZFC model, the letter F symbolizes the blend of classic and modern elements, and the C signifies its casual character. It's worth noting that Nikon first used the F label back in 2013 with the Nikon DF DSLR camera, which was a full-frame weather-sealed camera designed primarily for photography. Given the parallels between the ZFC and DF, it's logical to anticipate that a rumored full-frame mirrorless version of this classic design, known for its sturdy construction, would be named the Nikon ZF. Surprisingly, it'll weigh approximately 700 grams, including the battery, which is a notable increase from the Z5 and Z6 too. It looks like Nikon ZF will strike a balance between robustness and portability.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Now, performance-wise, this camera will come equipped with the powerful X-Speed 7 processor, which promises a significant leap in speed. With a maximum shutter speed of 1/8000 and the 24.4 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, the ZF will offer exceptional performance. It'll also feature an LCD and EVF with the same specifications as the Z6 II, boasting a high-resolution display. Video enthusiasts will be pleased to know that it will capture 10-bit H.265 HEVC video in various modes, including SDR, HLG, and N-Log. 4K video at 30 frames per second, offering full-frame quality, while 60 frames per second will be also available with a slight crop. Additionally, it'll offer 1080p video at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion footage. And embracing the latest advancements, the Nikon ZF will feature USB-C PD, an innovative fast-charging technology based on the USB-C standard. With an extended ISO range of 100 to 64,000, the camera will empower you to capture stunning images in a wide range of lighting conditions. The camera, currently identified as N2137 by its code name, represents Nikon's commitment to innovation and the art of photography. When the Nikon ZF is launched, it won't simply be a camera, it will stand as a symbol of the future of visual storytelling. Now let's discuss the details regarding its price and release date. According to insider information, Nikon plans to announce the ZF on September 20th, with shipments set to begin before the end of 2023, and the price for several lens kit and bundles will be in the range of $2,000 to $2,500, while the body-only option is priced at $1,999. A bundle including the Nikon Z40mm f/2 lens is among the offerings, and no new lenses will debut alongside the ZF. So, are you excited about the upcoming Nikon ZF? Do let us know down in the comments, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, drop us a like if you enjoyed and consider subscribing for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.